Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a carousel post on LinkedIn. So to start with, you need to create your carousel. I like to use Canva, but you can also use PowerPoint. Canva has a free version, but the paid version is really cool. So inside of Canva, I'm going to click on the top left, click on create. Then I'm just going to type in carousel, and you can see that LinkedIn carousel comes up. So it already gives you the template at the right size, so you don't need to do any adjustments. So I'm going to click on that LinkedIn carousel. So you can create it completely from scratch, but why Canva is so good is they have tons of templates, as you can see. So they're all ready made, all made to look really cool with great imagery. So all you need to do is just find one you like the look of and click on it, and then you just add in your own text and images. So let's just say for this tutorial, I'm just going to choose that one. So it'll ask me, do I want to apply all the pages? So I'm going to click on apply all 6 pages. So if I was doing this for real, I would go in, I would edit the text, I would, put in whatever I want, things like that. I'd go in, you can change up the images so I can easily delete that, and then there's loads of images here. Just click on photos and you can add in, search for different photos, whatever you want. So you can go ahead and edit each page to say whatever you want to say in your carousel. So when you're happy, give your carousel a name. So I'm just going to leave it on this for job interview. Then we're going to download it to post on LinkedIn. So I'm going to click on share, and you want to make sure that you download it as a PDF, otherwise it won't show as a carousel. So you can do that in the top. So I'm going to click on the down arrow, and I'm going to click on PDF, and then make sure all the pages are selected, and I'm going to click on download. So that will be downloaded to my computer, and then I can make my carousel post on LinkedIn. So to do that, I'm going to click on the top, click on start post, and it will ask me, what do I want to talk about? So I'm going to click on the more option, and then I'm going to find the section that says add a document. So this is where I'm going to add my PDF carousel. So I'll click on choose file. Then I can go to my computer and find that PDF that I just made in Canva. Click on it, click open, and then it might ask you to add a title for your document. So I'm just going to add in job interview, and then I'm going to click on done. Then you have a chance now to give like a title and a hook, like what are you going to say to get people interested in your carousel. So as I scroll down, you can see it's a carousel, so it's got this little arrow so people can scroll through it and see different pages of your carousel. So all I need to do now is write my title and swipe for more information. And then when I'm happy with that, I just click on post, and I have created a carousel post. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.